So what's going on, guys? What is going on, guys? I know it's been a while since I made a video, and I apologize, but it's been super busy, super busy. We got Mike Soarer back in here, and we got to do a few little odds and ends to this. The exhaust still looks amazing because I built it, really, dude. But anywho, we got to get up in here. I don't know if you guys can see the wastegate flange right there. That is the old school CX Racing wastegates. They're a 4-bolt flange, so we got to cut that flange off. We're going to put on a tile flange, and then we're going to run basically a tile replica, and we're going to plumb it back into the downpipe. So unfortunately, we got to pull the turbo off, the manifold off, and all that stuff. We're going to be doing that tonight. But what I wanted to show you guys, something exciting. Let me turn this light off. So there's a company called Evolution. Now, Evolution makes a really amazing chop saw that I have been wanting forever. It is a metal cutting chop saw with a stamped steel base. These guys make some of the coolest stuff out there when it comes to metal cutting chop saw styles. And this stuff, honestly, randomly appeared on my doorstep with my name on it. I didn't contact the company. I've never spoken with anybody at the company, but apparently they've seen my videos and they wanted to send me out a care package. So we're going to go ahead and open all this stuff and see what it is. Then we're going to try to find out who sent it, why they sent it, so that we can properly thank them and properly make a video on this stuff. So let's get to opening boxes. All right, so these top 2 boxes are like super heavy. So let's see what the heck is in these things. Hopefully we got a note or something. Something that'll tell us what nice person sent me these things. What do we got here? Oh, it looks metal. Oh yeah. It looks like it's a bunch of metal that they probably want me to cut with their saw, which is awesome. I will gladly do that. All right, box number 2 is just as heavy, so I'm assuming it's probably also more metal. I wonder if this is a project they want me to put together. That would be kind of cool. Sounds metal. Funny that they put bubble wrap in it. Yeah, hey, look at that, more metal. Awesome, awesome. We got some regular round stock, we got some square stock, we got some diamond plate down there. Cool. All right, on the box number. All right, now box number 3 is the 7 1/4 inch metal cutting circular saw, which I think is going to be pretty badass. So let's open this one up. Still haven't found a note yet. I'm really hoping we find a note. Oh yeah. Look at that. Wow. That's a nice unit. That's a really nice unit. Super cool. We are definitely going to put this stuff to good use, guys. We'll do a proper unboxing in the next video, but I really want to find out where all this stuff came from. So let's get up to the big box, which is the chop saw. And we might have to take this one out of the box because I'm super excited about this one. I have been looking at these saws for, God, at least 3 years. I'm wanting one so bad. Oh, this is all tough one-handed. Wow, okay. Yeah, this stuff is just as nice as it looks on the internet when you're drooling over stuff. That's a super nice saw. I think I might have to take this one out of the box. Hold on. Put you guys up here on the oil tank. And we'll pull this thing out of the box. Sorry. You're kind of moving all around. Aim you down here. Alright, I don't know if you can see how gorgeous that saw is and how much I'm geeking over a chop saw. But this thing's got to weigh a good 60 pounds. It is heavy. And it'll do all sorts of metal. So I'm assuming that's why they got and sent me 2 boxes of metals. They want me to cut some stuff with this, and they're not afraid because they sent a lot of money. Or yeah, they spent a lot of money and they sent a lot of stuff. So I think I'm gonna start playing with this thing, see what happens. Guys, you have no idea how truly excited I am right now. I mean, just look at this thing. And I was right, it's close to 60 pounds. It says 51 pounds, but that's a saw, man. Jesus, look at that. Just the sheer quality of it's amazing. And I'm sorry this wasn't a proper unboxing, but I got too excited. I mean, look at how nice this is. You can angle the backstop. This is all super heavy duty stuff. I mean, this is all like big cast steel or cast iron or something of that nature. This is a stamped steel base, but man, I'll have to show you guys how this thing compares to my DeWalt chop saw, which is, compared to this thing, a piece of trash. I mean, it comes with the Allen wrench to tighten things down and loosen things up. You got these beautiful blue handles that tighten everything down. This little handle here is super nice. I mean, it's ultra comfortable. I can't even talk. I just said comfortable. Awesome. And look at that blade. This is the steel blade. I know they make several others for like doing stainless work and aluminum and stuff like this, but I know this will cut aluminum as well. Just don't know if it'll do it as efficiently. I think the aluminum one has a smaller tooth count, but there it is, guys. Stay tuned for a full review of not only this thing in action with all that metal that they sent, but the circular saw as well. And I'm thinking the flat diamond plate and such is probably what they want me to cut with that. So apparently they are not scared of me abusing this machine. We got some pretty decent stuff here. This looks like 1/8 wall square tubing, 1/4 wall round tubing, maybe 3/16 round. Looks like 1/8 wall, probably 1/4. And then we got some different plate materials, a threaded screw. We're gonna have some fun. And guys, Evolution is not scared of what I'm gonna do to this machine. And I'm gonna do a lot to it, I promise you that. So stay tuned for that. I still need to get a hold of the company and figure out who sent it and thank them very much. And then I got to figure out what I'm going to be doing with this thing. I'm pretty sure by what they sent, they want me to literally plug this thing in and just start cutting. And cutting and cutting and give you guys my honest opinion. But I already know. I used one of these previously. I, as well as you, are not going to be disappointed in what this saw can do. They are incredible. So I'm going to leave it on that. Thanks for watching this one, guys. Keep your eyes open because in the next week, there will be serious videos on these two pieces of equipment, the circular saw and the chop saw, because I can't not cut stuff with it. I am so super stoked right now. So Evolution, if you see this video, thank you. Thank you, thank you so much. I know your products are not going to let me down, but even if they do, I'll be honest about it. So keep an eye open for the video on these two guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night.